Most people think love is a feeling, butterflies, excitement, chemistry. But the truth is this: feelings come from love, but feelings are not the definition of love. Today, I want to show you very simply what true love actually is and why romantic love only lasts when it's built on this foundation. True love is like a coin with two sides. Side one: I desire the very best for you, even if it costs me everything. Side two: I don't withhold good from you as long as it is within my power to give it and you are open to receiving it. This combination of goodwill and generous action is the heartbeat of real love. And here is something important: true love only becomes obvious when it is unconditional. We know love is without condition when it remains steady regardless of the behavior or response of the person receiving it. Love that turns into hatred when rejected is not true love. Love that is withdrawn simply because someone didn't meet your expectation is not true love. Real love stays consistent even when it is not returned. The Bible says love is patient and kind. It refuses to envy, boast, or become proud. It doesn't dishonor. It isn't self seeking or easily angered. It keeps no record of wrongs. It protects, it trusts, hopes, perseveres. In other words, love gives room, love gives grace, love gives safety, love gives consistency. The Bible also describes love through the fruit of the Spirit. It's joy, peace, forbearance, gentleness, goodness, faithfulness, self control. These aren't random virtues, they are the ingredients of a love that builds people instead of breaking them. And the Bible says God proved his love by giving, even while we were still sinners. Real love initiates, real love moves towards you even on your worst days. What does love look like between two people? When you bring these qualities into a relationship, any relationship, love stops being abstract. It becomes patience when the other person is slow to change, kindness when they are stressed or overwhelmed, self control when you feel like snapping, goodness and generosity when you could stay silent or distant, hope when things feel stuck, faithfulness when emotions are up and down. And here's another layer that many people ignore: true love is willing to offend if that offense is the result of truth. Because true love does not delight in evil. It must be willing to be firm, even when firmness means it might be misunderstood. Love refuses to enable harmful or destructive habits. Sometimes the most loving thing you can do is say, I care too much about you to pretend that this is okay. That firmness is not the opposite of love, it is proof of love. It is the steady choice to stay. Your growth matters to me, your well being matters to me. And here's where many couples get it wrong: romantic love, attraction, passion, excitement. It's beautiful. God created it. But romantic love cannot carry a relationship by itself. Romantic love is the flavor, true love is the meal. If the foundation is missing, patience, kindness, humility, gentleness, romance becomes unstable. But when you place romance on top of true love, it becomes deeper, richer, and more joyful. Love is basic, but the object of love shapes how you feel it. Loving a spouse feels different from loving a friend, a child, or a parent, but the core is the same. Desire the best for them and don't withhold good from them as long as it is within your power to give. This is why biblical love works anywhere: in friendships, marriage, dating, parenting, and community. It adapts, but it never stops being itself. So if you want a better marriage, a stronger relationship, or a deeper connection, don't start by trying to get someone to love you. Start by learning how to love like this: a love that is patient, kind, generous, truthful, and rooted in God's heart. Because true love doesn't just change relationships, it changes people. God bless you.